plastic cooking.
On that me. Oh.
It is cold out here in Texas. It's 35 degrees. I got my shoes. Bega. No shoes. Got my little bag. Got my flats for when I'm ready to take this off. It's freezing. My bad. G wanted to open my door. G wanted to open my door, y'all. I'm sorry. It's too cold to be sitting up here waiting. He should have got to that door first. You ready?
Yeah. Let's eat good.
So we are having our anniversary dinner, our 1-year anniversary dinner. That has been, he done put up with me for a year, y'all.
Oh, yeah, it's been worth it.
Oh. Now this one will come off, so. So yeah, I am so excited for you guys to see what baby got planned for our 1 year. Yeah, you excited? Of course. It's so cold. So yeah, stay tuned, guys. Y'all, it is freezing out here. You like the door?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah. Check it out.
It is cold. Like, I never thought Texas would get this cold.
That's extra cold.
I'm so hungry. Show y'all where we're going.
Distinct beats.
Yeah, good ice cream. The ice cream machine was broken like 30 minutes ago.
So we can get no blast.
That's crazy.
Shame on you, Sonic. Shame on you, Sonic.
But they gonna get 8 though, watch.
Good morning. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another episode of Simplicity is Tea. I am the Tea. It's the Tea that is me.
And I LG.
So today, Happy New Year's, guys. Is it New Year's or New Year?
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, guys. Happy anniversary, babe.
Happy anniversary, babe.
Me and G have been together for a year now. Christian just gotta say hi. He just wants y'all to see him with his stupid ass hoodie. This VR on. Making pancakes, cinnamon toast crunch pancakes, and that.
Cinnamon Toast Crunch Pancakes.
Today, guys, we are making cinnamon toast crunch pancakes. I'm sitting here watching you. Alright, so I was walking in Walmart.
Bruh.
So I was walking in Walmart and I saw the Cinnamon Toast Crunch waffle. I saw the Cinnamon Toast Crunch pancake. I'm trying to get it to clear up. Okay, there we go. So if you're in Walmart and you like Cinnamon Toast Crunch, like I like Cinnamon Toast Crunch, get a pancake. If y'all wonder where I got my shirt from, shout out to G Grandma, Miss Carrie, whole outfit.
How many times can you say goodnight in a different language?
Buenas noches. Buenas noches.
More than that.
It's a joke. It's an inside joke. He don't listen to City Girls, so he never understands.
Y'all want some milk? It's great value. Yo.
I know y'all probably like, is G gonna do something? Probably not, because he's so.
I'm drinking my orange juice. Protect me from COVID.
Alright. Got your 1 cup of milk. And then you got your cash. You want to do me a favor?
What's that?
Go ahead and get started.
I heard it tastes better when you put it back.
No, I'm not left-handed. No. Don't be sitting there trying to pour it and then you gotta gently dust.
Show out in front of everybody.
How is it camera?
Huh?
I'm doing this. G's gonna do the eggs. No.
Hey. Ooh, that boy smooth with it. Huh? Ooh, that boy smooth with the egg. Like, ooh. Yeah, that. Oh, that's so smooth.
Bitch, I know you fucking lying. I know you fucking lying.
Is it burnt? Let me see.
It looks good.
Nicole!
I'm gonna hold through the trash bag. Yeah. Yeah. So you crack it, you gotta kind of like go up with. Make that thing look professional, like it tastes better when you do it left hand. Cause it got that motion when you do it with your left hand. And then get it down like this. Yeah. Hey man, I need some camera time too. Yeah, need that orange juice. That orange juice in y'all.
We ain't gonna be able to get any.
Oh, y'all drink orange juice?
Why the hell you think I bought it? I had that before you even got here.
I thought it was from the
No. See how he's so selfish? He think everything is just for him. Our food is going to bust. I don't want to make this video that long because it's already. What am I gonna say? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to shoot the video after we finish